afternoon, everybody. Tessa Glitter here. So basically, in today's video, I will be singing God's Loving Nature. This is an original song, and the chords are A7, E minor, and A minor. That's all the chords. So I'm so excited that I can do this YouTube video. Oh, I wanna see you worship the God who has a loving nature. Whoa, our God is patient, loving, kind to his children. Our God is forever alive. God's loving nature is so great and powerful, but we don't deserve God's good graces. Whoa, I want to see you worship the God who has a loving nature. Well, our God is patient, loving, kind to his children. God is a loving and forgiving God. God, you are stronger than nails placed in Jesus' head. God, I love you. Whoa, God's loving nature. Your love for us are never ending. Thank you so much for watching. Tessa Glitter out.